Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Grow with Deborah. On this channel, we share beautiful, different hairstyle for African lady. So, guys, I hope you're going to enjoy it. You're going to find here something to put on your hair. You just say subscribe, like, and share the same thing. If you find something here and you like it, don't feel shy to save it. You save it and don't forget to drop your comment to give me anything advice. So, guys, look at this, really simple, really simple. Just know you're gonna find here that natural hairstyle without gel. If you don't want something disturbing you every morning, I hope you come here on my channel. You can find it. Look at this, without gel, you can look good. You know, so this is really so beautiful, really so beautiful, elegant. This is nice. You know, if you always put gel on your hair, I think it can affect your natural hair. It's better sometime to style your hair without gel. Look what this makes you feel so comfortable and simple. Look at this one, it's really nice, so beautiful. Just you can find here natural hairstyle without gel, and the same thing if you should like to use gel on your hair, you come here on this channel, you will find hair natural hairstyle. You can find any style you should like to use on your hair. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and drop your comment. Okay, guys, look at this. This is really corner. It's really simple and nice. Look at this one. You can use it on your face, but on Sunday when you go to church, you can use this hairstyle. It's really simple and makes you feel so beautiful, elegant, and natural. When you feel natural, just it's sound good. Look at this one. Really, you can use this one for look at this, really simple. Without gel, you can protect your hair. So if you always put gel on your hair, I told you guys it can affect your natural hair. Even you have straight hair, it's the same thing. If you always put gel on your hair, it can affect your hair. You just need sometime take time to use to style your hair without gel. You understand, guys? I hope you understand. Yeah. So look at this one. This is really your put gel. Look at this. It's really nice. I hope you're going to enjoy it. You're going to like it. Enjoy the video, and I hope you're going to find here and next time. Look at this one, guys. Really so beautiful. Really so beautiful. Look at this. So guys, enjoy the video up to 10 so that you can choose or pick here beautiful hairstyle. Enjoy the video. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. Just know when you subscribe my channel, you just know you do a lot to me. Thank you so much. I love you. God bless you. Don't forget, stay prepared. Jesus coming soon.